Today we're going to make chocolate muffin chips cookies. I think that's what it's called.
How can you make a muffin cookie?
I never made muffin before.
Yeah, but yes, it's gonna be chocolate chip muffins.
Yeah,
okay?
And there's chocolate. Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So today I'll be doing, instead of cooking, I'll be doing bakings. And as you know, you haven't seen recent baking videos, so I'm back again. Today we're going to make, alright guys, we'll be making chocolate chips, muffins.
Chips? You're gonna be making chips in a muffin?
Yeah.
No, okay, that's fine, okay.
Yes. Alright guys, let's move into step 1, so let's get this bad boy started. Step 1, make sure you preheat your oven, okay? You know what I mean? Alright, second step, you're going to crack your eggs here and you're gonna put it in this bowl, so look. Alright, next up we're going to get out your electric mixer. And then you're going to get it here and then turn it on. While you're mixing your eggs here, make sure you want it to look more fluffy and make sure you get done. So yeah, look at that guys, as you can see it looks so nice and fluffy and the bubbles are bubbling. Yeah. Alright guys, next you're gonna get out your sugar and you're gonna put them in here. So yeah, look at that. All of it. Alright guys, next you're going to get out your milk and your oil and you're gonna put them in here. Now you're gonna get your same thing here and then you're just gonna have to mix both the oil and the milk in there. Make sure you mix this until you got a smooth texture. Now you're gonna get out your smooth flour and you're gonna put it in here. Now we're going to add your salt in this tiny little bowl here. There we go. Alright guys, after you add it in here, make sure next you're not gonna use your mixer. You're gonna get your spatula here and you're gonna keep mixing it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to fold this thing in properly, okay? So look, this is how you do it, and then you go like this, and then there and there.
Yeah, so just fold it.
Look at this.
Just, like you're folding clothes or something, just fold it like that.
Yeah.
Try and get, you have to mix all the flour and all that, okay?
Yeah. Okay guys, this is how it's meant to look like. So look at that, it looks like a shot. By the way guys, while you're folding the muffin here, which is the important part here, you don't want to fold it too much, otherwise when it comes to the final part here, your muffin might come out really bad. So make sure you just fold it out gently, okay? By the way, you guys will know that while you're folding it, if all the flour is gone, that means you're done with it. So yeah. Alright guys, next we're going to add chocolate here, and by the way, one more thing, I'm gonna have 2 pieces.
What? Yeah, say something for the muffin. What is wrong? What are you doing?
No, mine. Yeah.
Okay, don't you have another chocolate thing for the muffins?
Yeah.
Alright, mister?
I know that.
Okay?
Okay guys, you're gonna do the same thing, basically fold and do it gently. So
that the chocolates are all spread out, yeah?
Yeah. Alright guys, here I have the cupcake trays here. When you're getting these here, make sure you have one of these to go in there like a cupcake, but instead it's gonna be muffins.
Alright, carefully, no, carefully, okay, you've never done skating. Take it a bit closer.
Yeah.
Really carefully.
By the way, guys, when you're adding the muffins, yeah, just make sure you like add it above, like on top, like when it reaches like the top of these.
No, not right to the top. Remember,
Yeah.
just below the top. Yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing there, Mister?
Yes.
Having fun?
Yeah.
For the first time, you're doing it quite well, actually. Whoa, 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 whoa! Slowly, slowly. We've got one tray for each of us.
Yeah. Let's put the thing in there.
You did this one. It was me.
Oh my god, that was so good. Yeah.
Perfect. Hi guys.
Oh look, guys. I'm just putting my some of these things here.
Whoa, are you gonna do it with one hand? Are you that skilled? Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, bro. Chase.
Yes.
I mean, my face in this video, alright?
Yeah.
Don't think that's happening, alright? You understand me,
Do
stuff?
you want to ask me something? Because you asked me that you wanted to ask me about a Disney Channel show called.
Is she asking you that or are you asking yourself that? Oh my god, look what we just did! Stop wasting it, man!
Yeah,
Alright, give me here. Lick that off now.
Yeah.
Lick it!
Okay.
Get the honey, lick it, lick it.
Alright, guys, we just me and my two sisters here got our trays finished. So yep, and then when will the oven like finish preheating? Yeah, then we'll like put it in the oven. Alright, guys. After our oven has finished preheating, yeah, we're going to put our muffins inside the oven, yeah, and then so it can look like a real life muffin. You know what I mean? So yeah. Also, while you're putting it in the oven, yeah, put it for about like 25 minutes, I think. So yeah. Alright, guys, we got our time started. So to count down like our muffins when it's time to take it out of the oven. So yeah.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, I just got the muffins out of the oven, yeah, and it came out very good. Although some of the chocolate did go onto those fingers, but that's fine because I'm fine with it being there, yeah. By the way, I actually made this for my cousin's birthday because it's her birthday today, yeah, and I made muffins for her, by the way. So yeah. And by the way, if you're wondering how do I taste it like, look.
Peel the paper and eat it, you know? Okay, have a big bite.
Yeah. It's very nice. So guys, while you're making muffins, yeah, by the way, here's a thing. This is a very easy recipe muffin to make, and it's not the most hardest, and it's kind of short, but when you taste the muffin, yeah, it tastes really nice, and it can come out very freshly. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for me to return back to baking, yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, yeah, give it a smash a like the button and subscribe to this channel since it helps, and hit the notification bell. Alright guys, we came to the end of the video, so before I say bye to you guys, happy birthday Khadija, anyway, bye and assalamu alaikum. And before I end it, let's see them eat it. So yeah.
Okay, you're the bit now.
You know what I mean? Okay guys, I wanted to say this, but a supporter of my channel, yeah, Jonah Williams, yeah, apparently requested me to make a bakery video since I haven't made one for so long. So this is a shout out for Jonah Williams. So Jonah Williams, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. What are you doing? Show your face. Khadija, yeah, how's your muffin.
It's really nice. I love the chocolate, and like when you bite into it, like it melts in your mouth.
Are you thankful that I made these muffins?
Yeah,
for
I'm
you?
really happy that you made it for my birthday.
Yeah, you're also grateful that your cousin sisters gave you your
thank you,
perfumes.
guys.
It's
Yeah,
alright.
thank you.